Hello friends, good evening. I am Anand Gyanbote here for trading from tradingteacher.in for providing you tomorrow's call. Tomorrow's date is 1st August 2017, that is 1/8/2017, and our last month, that is July month, from 1st of July to 31st of July was gone entire profit, better profit, and so we are starting with a new tomorrow's calls from 1st of August. And before going further, I need to give some good news to you, and that good news is I have made one slide, Introduction to Indian Commodity Market, that is MCX. So I am making a series on commodity market, or means what is commodity market, what is Indian commodity market, which types of commodities you can trade in that, and how much profit you can gain in that with each type of commodities like crude oil, lead, zinc, mini aluminum, and so on. So in next video, or I am making an entire series on that. It's a data from part 1, part 2 to episodes like that. So be ready for the commodity session, and you can watch my commodity videos very soon. So I am starting my commodity series from tomorrow, and for tomorrow's call, I have selected some of the script. Before going further, for tomorrow's call, I need to take an analysis of my today's calls. So I think before making an analysis, that I think you already know what is the analysis of that. And Vedanta Limited has not not given the profit, but all the other three calls has made a good profit, and I am very happy today that all the calls have generated my new trained clients from Mumbai. And in training, I will teach you how to generate these calls and how to trade on these calls. So trader is more confident, and they are most happy on their trading experience. And if you are having some knowledge of the market and still making losses, then try to identify why you are making losses. There is a lot of material are available on the internet, lot of strategies are available. Then why people are making losses in that? So no one shares the knowledge with a small amount, and they are taking high fees from the people, like 30,000, and they are giving some basic knowledge in that, and they are only teaching theory, and I am teaching you practical. Theory always with theory with practical. Then how you can generate the tomorrow's call, how you can predict the next movement in that. So training makes you the better experience, and your confidence will be get increased in training. So for you can take training if you need. I am not forcing anyone to take training. So this is our just I want to say that if someone is interested, they can directly contact me for training, and Saturday or Sunday we can arrange the training for any place in Maharashtra. And I have already told you that from 1st August, today is last day. From 1st August, I am increasing my training fee from rupees 1,500 only for traveling purposes and other charges. Okay, and 5,000 rupees is fee, but right now I am charging only 5,000 rupees for training, and 1,500 to 1,200 I am paying for the traveling charges and other fresh up charges, so etc. So just I have increased 1,500 rupees in my training cost, not that much more, and you can take an advantage of that. If you want to take training in future, then today is last day for registration, that is 31st, and from 1st August the registration will come. You have to pay extra 1,500 rupees for each training session. Okay, so in training, one day training, you will get a lot of knowledge in that, and also practical knowledge in that. So I will not talk that much in this video about training. So I am here for you tomorrow's call. So tomorrow's calls, I have selected 3 buy calls and 3 sell calls. That yesterday I have given training to some clients and in Mumbai, and they had generated the calls after the market today, and they have sent me the calls, and I have not believable that. So all calls were correct. Okay, all calls were correct. I will tell you where to enter and where to exit in these calls. So these calls are generated by my trained clients, and the trained client is only in one day. She had given me these calls. Okay, so I am recommending you. So I am to trade on these calls on small quantities, and you can play large quantities also. Okay, so SBIN, State Bank of India, was currently closed around 312. That is current market price is 312, and you have to buy SBIN tomorrow around 311 or 312 or 313. What the price you will get after the market opens. So first target for SBIN is 315, that is 315 rupees, and second target is 318, that is 318 rupees. You have to maintain a stop loss of 308 rupees in SBIN. And second call was Power Grid. Power Grid was currently closed around 2 to 3.30 rupees, and you have to buy around 2 to 2 or 2 to 3, or the price after the market opens. You have to maintain the stop loss of 220 rupees in Power Grid. Okay, you can put a stop loss of 219 also, but you can place the stop loss in the range between 219 to 220. Okay, and the first target I am giving you for Power Grid, that is 227. 227 is first target, and 229 is second target. Okay, and third call Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel was currently trading around 421 rupees, so you can buy it around 420 or 421, 22 in the range bound of that, and you have to maintain the SL of 415 to 416. Okay, 415 to 416, in between you can place the SL, and the first target for Bharti Airtel is 428 rupees, and second target is 432 rupees. Okay, and the third call, that is sale call, was ITC. ITC was currently closed around 285. You have to sell ITC tomorrow around 286, 287 or 285, and you have to maintain the stop loss of 288 rupees. Okay, 288 rupees is stop loss, and first target in ITC is 280, and second target is 278. And second call for second sell call is Lupin, and Lupin has currently closed around 1032, and you have to sell Lupin tomorrow around 1033 or 34. You will get that price in tomorrow for selling, and you have to maintain the stop loss of 1050. If the market opens gap ups in Lupin, you can sell on that, but put a proper stop loss of 1050 rupees. And I am some doubtful on Lupin, but the signal was correct, but from last so many days Lupin was falling, but it can go lower side also, but sometimes movement is not predicted into the market before one day. So you should check the live into the market, and then you should enter into the market. Okay, if it opens gap up around 1040 or 1045, then you should not sell the market. Okay, so take the range below 1040, okay, in Lupin for selling, and put a strict stop loss of 1050. First target for Lupin is 1015, and second target for Lupin is 1000 rupees. Okay, so that is the large target, and you can gain up to 30 points in that. Okay, and third call was Tata Motors. Tata Motors was currently closed around 445, and you have to sell Tata Motors tomorrow around 445 to 446 rupees, and stop loss you have to put around 450 to 451, and so first target in Tata Motors is 440 rupees, and second target is 437 rupees. Okay, so these are our calls, and these calls have not generated by me, and these calls have generated by one of my trained clients yesterday. Okay, so we will check the accuracy of that also, and I am recommending you, so you can trade directly on these calls, but trade with a small quantity. Okay, first, and if you are getting into the profit, then you can add more quantities than that. Okay, so thanks for today watching for my video, and please subscribe our video, and if you are not subscribed, and I always welcome for my new subscribers. My subscribers are getting increased right now, so I welcome all the subscribers, and I also suggest you to write the comments on the video. So I think there is one my trained client, and he is my good friend also, and his name is Ganesh, and he is very active on YouTube, and he is writing comments on YouTube also. So you can also write what is happening into the market, and if our target reaches or not. Okay, so you can write, please write the comments. Your comments are getting me motivation for me, and I gets motivated in after writing your comments. Okay, so that's all for today. If you want to visit our website, you can directly go to website, and you can register for training. Okay, so don't forget to like our video. Thank you. Bye bye.